So, do you have any questions related to English you want to ask? Any doubts, any queries, any question as such?
Actually, if I start asking you a question in English, I would take like 1,000 of years.
Oh, man.
You,
Okay.
you,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Okay, I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking. Okay, so I've seen you in YouTube.
Wow. So this is revealed that I am famous.
Yeah, you are. Of course, you are. You are. But I
So
want you to introduce yourself, okay? Because I don't know how to spell it. Your name. I don't want to
your
get.
okay. I tested that with Indian people, and actually they pronounce my name perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a clue. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so how can you pronounce my name? Can you try?
Ahmed, I know.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, the other part is difficult for me.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah,
Ahmed.
yeah, Ahmed. Yeah, okay. And what was the other part? Can you just tell me about it?
It's my family name, Al
Okay.
Bejawi.
Albe Jabi.
Yeah, it's my family name.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
And you, what's your name?
My name is Chelsea Thomas.
Your name is Chelsea Thomas.
Yeah,
Uh-huh, wow.
that.
So you're original from India, right?
Yes, yes. I'm from India. I'm from Kerala. Do you know that state in India?
Of course, I know Kerala. Yeah, I love Kerala, actually.
Oh, have you been to Kerala?
I know, actually, I haven't been to Kerala, but I have heard about Kerala from Indian tourists here
Oh,
through my conversations.
okay, that's nice. That's cool. Okay.
I want to ask you something about your name. Your name sound like you're from like Great Britain, Chelsea Thomas. You know?
I know. It's because my parents
Yeah.
always wanted their child to have a unique name. So there I am.
And actually, you got the unique name. Yeah.
Yes, yes, exactly.
If you had a chance to choose your name, what would it be?
I would choose it as Chelsea rather than Chelsea.
Huh. So I guess your friends used to call you Chelsea.
Yes, exactly, exactly. And my parents do call me Chelsea itself, not Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Chelsea becomes a bit more longer, right? And what are you going to do after this, after you attend this session?
Actually, before the session, a few minutes ago, my the technician called me and he told me I'm going to come here to your house to fix the electricity. I
Uh-huh.
told him, no way, no, I have a session right now. So could you
Okay.
please postpone your work for 15 minutes? He said,
Ah,
yeah, it's totally fine with me.
okay, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
So I'm going to meet the technician to fix my electricity house.
Okay. What is the problem actually with the
Um,
electricity?
yeah, I need to change some lights here in my house.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And which are the places you have been to, in general? You are from Iraq, right?
yeah, I am from Iraq. Yeah, I see you watch some videos.
Yes, yes, yes. I do. And you are very energetic person, okay? You're very energetic. I like that. Every session, you're very energetic. That's what makes you different from others. And I really appreciate that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Do you know why I yesterday I thought about that?
Hmm.
People used to tell me that you are energetic, but here's the thing. I'm
Okay.
energetic. I'm only energetic when I speak in English. That's my secret. Because I'm practicing my hobby, which is like gives me that sense of humor.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, you can say like when you love something,
Yes.
yeah, you do like very good stuff in this thing.
Yes, yes. Exactly. That's absolutely right. I can't agree more. Yeah. Okay. So, do you have any questions related to English you want to ask? Any doubts, any queries, any question as such?
Actually, if I start asking you a question in English, uh, I would take like 1,000 of years.
Oh man. Okay.
You know what? Because when you get into like let's say Google or social media, okay, or any applications for learning English, every time you get into this stuff, you will get new things that you don't know, or maybe like
Yeah.
you heard about it. Like,
Uh-huh.
oh my goodness! For example, yesterday
Uh-huh.
I uh, I downloaded an application. Okay, it calls Word Hippo. Okay,
Word
so
Hippo. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh.
yeah, are you familiar with this application?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Okay, so this application helps you to get like new words like synonym. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so I put like I told myself let's put like a word. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and then I got, oh my goodness, around 15 words similar to my words. Come
Okay.
on, English.
Yeah, that's the speciality of English. You will never, like, you cannot stop learning. It may be any language. If you take any language, you cannot stop learning a language. The day you
Yeah.
stop learning, the day you stop to just progress, I would say.
Uh, exactly. And if I stop speaking English,
Mhm.
um, I figured out that I my English like with reducing like with the vocabulary, the
Uh-huh.
fluency, I would lose like some of these skills.
Mhm.
So every time I like feel like that, I
Uh-huh.
sometimes I'm not in the mood to speak in English, but I push myself to speak in English, just like to make it like as a habit in
Yeah.
my daily routine.
Exactly, exactly. And I was also like in the previous year, okay, 2021, I
Yeah,
really didn't like reading books. Okay. It is
yeah,
not my cup of tea, that's what. Okay. But then
yeah.
I just wanted to challenge myself. Okay. And I told that this is going to be my new year resolution that I will just complete 12 books that year. Okay. And to my surprise, I completed 15 books, you know?
Wow, amazing! Good job.
Yes, because for me it is a great thing to achieve because I didn't never expect that I will complete that 12. But then I got into more. So yeah.
Do
So you have to just
you,
develop a habit. Yeah. Go ahead, go on, go on. Sorry. Yeah.
I actually like in 2019 I started like reading books.
Okay.
Okay, so I mean, like I used to read books, but in Arabic, which is my native language.
Uh-huh.
But in 2019, I started to like hit the English books,
Okay.
and I had like passion for these books, and I completed more than like 15 books. Okay, including some stories. Okay, kids stories. I started with kids stories, and then
Mhm.
I started to read like books related with how to invest your time, how to invest your money.
Mhm.
And then in 2022, uh,
Mhm.
actually, I'm no longer read books. Oh no, I lost that passion. I
Mhm.
bought new books, but
Uh,
actually I didn't
yeah,
even
yeah.
like open it.
Mhm. Because see, if you just be consistent with what you're doing, you will do it. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, and if you don't become consistent, you'll just be stuck and you will not, complete it. That's what happens. Yeah, there is a time.
ex-
Yeah, yeah,
exactly, but I don't know if you are agree with me or not.
yeah. Hmm.
Sometimes the titles of the book like
Uh-huh.
get you, okay, and
Yeah.
then yeah, and when
Mhm.
you start like reading like some pages,
Mhm.
you will not see like what you are looking for, like, oh
Yes,
no,
exactly.
I don't enjoy, it's passion when you read like between the lines, and wow, I have completed this page, I need to go to another page because you have passion. But
Yes.
Sometimes these books actually like don't give you this passion.
Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes they're very misleading, right? The headings of the book, right? Yeah, I do agree. True, true, 100%.